know how photosynthesis works? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy to produce glucose. Next, do you know why the sky appears blue? The sky appears blue because molecules in the Earth's atmosphere scatter sunlight in all directions. Blue light is scattered more than other colors because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. Next, do you know what causes earthquakes? Earthquakes are caused by the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, usually as a result of the movement of tectonic plates along fault. Next, do you know how airplanes fly? Airplanes fly due to a combination of lift, thrust, gravity, and drag. The wings of an airplane generate lift as air flows over them, allowing the plane to overcome gravity and stay airborne. Next, do you know how the Internet works? The Internet is a global network of interconnected computers that communicate via protocols such as TCP/IP. Data is transmitted through cables, satellites, and other means to reach its destination. Next, do you know why some people are left-handed? The exact cause of left-handedness is not fully understood, but it is believed to involve a combination of genetic, environmental, and hormonal factors. Next, do you know how fossils are formed? Fossils are formed when the remains of plants and animals are buried in sedimentary rock layers and undergo a process of mineralization over millions of years. This process preserves the structure of the organism and allows it to be studied by scientists. Next, do you know how the human brain learns and remembers? The human brain learns and remembers through the formation and strengthening of neural connections, a process known as synaptic plasticity. Memories are stored in various regions of the brain and can be recalled through neural pathways. Next, do you know how stars are born? Stars are born from clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. When a region of a nebula becomes dense enough, gravity causes it to collapse and form a protostar, which eventually ignites nuclear fusion and becomes a star. Next, do you know how a rainbow forms? Rainbows form when sunlight is refracted or bent and then reflected inside water droplets in the atmosphere, separating the light into its various colors. Next, do you know why we get goosebumps? We get goosebumps as a response to cold temperatures or strong emotions, such as fear or excitement. Goosebumps are caused by the contraction of tiny muscles at the base of hair follicles, which causes the hair to stand up. Next, do you know why the Earth has seasons, but other planets might not? The Earth has seasons because its axis is tilted relative to its orbit around the Sun, causing different parts of the planet to receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. Other planets may not have seasons if their axes are less tilted or if they have different orbital characteristics.